Viruses sound terrifying, especially with the current COVID-19 pandemic. Viruses of course don't just affect humans, they can affect any internet-connected device, including computers, phones, and tablets. Some operating systems include built-in antivirus protection. However, is it necessary to obtain a third-party antivirus software for your device? The answer is yes. While some devices may have built-in security software, using a third-party antivirus software, whether it's free or paid, it is necessary. Hi, I am Kathleen, and today I will show you the step-by-step installation of a free antivirus for Windows 10. This antivirus is called Avast Free Antivirus. It is an essential security application that prevents viruses, spyware, and other malicious threats from infecting your personal computer. Avast is considered as one of the most popular antiviruses because of its easy-to-use interface. Let us now proceed to the step-by-step installation of Avast Antivirus. So first, open Google or any browser you prefer, and then search for Avast Free Antivirus. Click the first link in the result. After opening the link, you will see the free download button here. Click it and wait for the download to finish. After the download is completed, open the file. If prompted for permission by the user account control dialog, then click yes. Now we'll wait for the antivirus setup window to open. Let's close this. Setup window is now open. To change the default setup language, click the current language in the top right corner of the screen. You can choose your preferred language. For now, we'll use English for this tutorial. And click Install to proceed with the default installation, or you can click Customize if you need to make changes to the default setup. For now, we'll stick with the default setup installation. Wait while setup installs Avast Free Antivirus on your PC. While the installation is in progress, please don't turn off your computer. The installation is complete, the setup window will open. Click Continue to proceed with the installation. You will now be prompted to pick whether to use the free version of the software or the paid version. In this tutorial, we will choose the free version. Click Run First Scan button to start a comprehensive smart scan which detects viruses, malware, bad browsers add-on, and other issues on your PC. We'll scan first for the browser threats. When completed, click Next to proceed with the scanning for malware. When the scanning for malware is done, click Next to scan for advanced threats on your PC. The scanning is completed, and as you can see here, my computer has encountered 3 advanced issues. The Avast software may recommend you to resolve all of them. However, this will require you to spend money before Avast fixes them for you. As we're aiming to run for a free version, and I don't intend to purchase any additional products, we'll skip this step for now and consider that the smart scanning is completed. If you like, this can be set up by default smart schedule once a month. Avast Free Antivirus is now installed on your PC and ready to use, but some components may not fully function until you restart your PC. No longer necessary to register Avast Free Antivirus as your initial free subscription automatically activates after the installation. Along with Avast Free Antivirus, you will also get Avast Secure Browser. You can use the browser to browse over the internet using a VPN service and ads blocker. It will also protect your private information on the internet. If you don't have antivirus, get some. If you have some, ensure it's up to date and clean up your computer. Again, this is Kathleen. Thank you for watching this video. Bye!